So welcome back to my math lesson. This evening we are going to start with indices. So these are the first two questions we are going to do today. And before we start, let me quickly remind you, if this is the first time of you coming across my video, please don't forget to hit the subscription button so that each time I put new content, you will be notified. And you can also check my YouTube channel, Mathematics with a Normal You. There are a lot of solutions there, mathematical solutions there, which you can learn from and share it with your friends so that everyone can learn from it. So, and don't forget, please, if there is any question, if there is anything, put it on the comment section and then I will respond back to you. Now, the first one is straightforward. The first one said 27 raised to power in bracket 1 plus x is equals to 9. So in this kind of question, the first thing you try and do is to make sure that both the left hand and the right hand side of the equation are in the same base. So we'll try and do that one first of all by changing 27 to base 3. So we know that 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 27. So which means we now have 3 raised to power 3 into 1 plus x equals to 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2. Now we have base 3 on your left hand side, base 3 on our right hand side. So which means the base can go. That means we now have 3 into 1 plus x is equals to 2. So you can divide both sides by 3, and if you do that, you will now have 1 plus x is equals to 2 over 3. So now remove 1 from both sides. If you remove 1 from both sides, you have x is equals to 2 over 3 minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 over 3. It's very straightforward. So now let's look at the second one. The second one is a little bit complicated because here we have x as the power and here we have x as the base. But we can also do this. The first thing you do is first of all try and take everything x to one side of the equation. So we will remove this x and take it to the other side of the equation. So now we will say 16 raised to power x multiplied by 1 over x is equals to x raised to power 8 multiplied by 1 over x. So it's the same thing. We haven't done anything to the equation. We've only raised both sides to 1 over x, 1 over x. So if you do that, this will cancel this. We will have 16 is equals to x raised to power 8 over x. Okay, now let's take this 8 to the other side. We will do the same step just like what we did here. So by raising both sides to the reciprocal of 8. So we now have 16 raised to power 1 over 8 equals to x raised to power 8 over x multiplied by 1 over 8. So 1 over 8 and 1 over 8 here, so it's the same thing. So let's cancel this. So we now have 16 raised to power 1 over 8 equals to x raised to power 1 over x. So now this is base 16. So let's try and, we know that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 16. So that means 2 raised to power 4 is equals to 16. So we can change this 16 and say this is equals to 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 over 8 is equals to x raised to power 1 over x. So if you do this, this will give you 2 raised to power 4 over 8 is equals to x raised to power 1 over x. And this is 1 over 2. So 2 raised to power 2, x raised to power 1 over x. 2 raised to power 1 over 2, x raised to power 1 over x, which means x is equals to 2. So this is how you approach this two type of indices questions. So look at this. If there is anything, put it on the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you and God bless.